From Rahul Dravid yelling at the top of his lungs with rage and anger on the streets of Bangalore, to India administering well over 10 crore doses of vaccine, a lot has happened over the week which we believe you should be informed about, which is why we are here with another episode of the Campus News brought to you by VUTV. I'm your host Prithvi Raj, and without further ado, let's get started. There'll be no summer holidays this year, informs Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Ashwath Narayan, who indicated that examination and other academic activities will go on as usual without any hindrances despite the prevailing COVID-19 issue. Union Minister Jitendra Singh believes that under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Jammu has emerged as the educational hub of North India over the last 7 years. Recently, a special memorandum of understanding was signed between Ministry of Animal Husbandry and Dairy, Ministry of Fisheries and Ministry of Ayush to introduce Ayurveda disciplines in veterinary science. Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Ratan Lal Kataria on Friday said that the centre has released rupees 4,000 crores for the post-metric scholarship scheme for scheduled castes. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal chairs a high-level NEP 2020 meeting, post which he also released an implementation plan called as SARTHAK, which is an acronym for Students and Teachers Holistic Advancements Through Quality Education. India has administered over 10 crore doses of vaccine since the mega vaccination drive rolled out on January 16th, which is 85 days as of Saturday. In fact, India has put US and many other countries behind in this huge vaccination race. India has done exceedingly well in transitioning from traditional ways of learning and teaching, that is through a classroom setup, to the digital ways of learning and teaching, says a report from Oxford University Press. In fact, pandemic has facilitated for this easy exchange, but the government has to act upon it so that it's held up successfully, the report further states. And now on to some sports news. IPL season number 14 is upon us. And in fact, on the first day, Bangalore took on Mumbai and they beat them by 2 wickets. And on the second day, Delhi stood victorious against Chennai. Alright, it's now time for the videos of the week on the Campus News, and this week we have a couple of them lined up for you because this is officially the week of videos and the first one should not really surprise you, and if you've missed this by any chance, you probably would be living under a rock. I'm talking about the scintillating new Cred ad featuring the coolest, gentlest former cricketer Mr. Rahul Dravid. Yes, everyone's favorite. Well, he was seen going bonkers on the streets of Bangalore. I recommend highly that you should not miss out on this. Here's a small glimpse of that video on the Campus News. Check it out.
That doesn't mean you can overtake. Come, man. Come. You come, man. What about Brittany? Hey. Could have gone straight and taken it.
Alright, our second video is pretty intimidating but definitely eye-catching. As you can see, a huge reptile, a giant lizard, was recently caught crawling up a store rack in Thailand. And mind you, this video was taken by the storekeeper. Check this out. Alright, that was it from this week's episode of the Campus News brought to you by VUTV. If you enjoyed this assorted set of information from this week, do hit the like button, share this video with all your friends, near and dear ones, because they ought to know as to what's happening around them across the country. And of course, subscribe to our channel VUTV by Vijay Bhumi. I am your host Prithvi Raj and I'll see you next week. Until then, take care.